Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Instagram to Facebook for Meta Business Suite setup, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Instagram to Facebook for Meta Business Suite setup, first, open your Facebook app or website. Log into your Facebook account. Navigate to the Meta Business Suite dashboard. If you haven't created a Meta Business account yet, set one up by following the prompts. Locate the Settings option in the left-hand menu and click on it. Under the Business Settings section, find Accounts. Click on Instagram Accounts from the drop-down. Select the Add button to begin the connection process. A new window will appear, prompting you to log in to your Instagram account. Enter your Instagram credentials and click Login. Grant the necessary permissions for Instagram to connect with Facebook. Once logged in, select the Facebook page you'd like to connect to your Instagram account. Confirm the connection by clicking the Connect button. Check that your Instagram account is now listed under the Instagram Accounts section. To ensure everything is linked properly, go back to your Facebook page's settings. Look for the Instagram tab in your page settings. Verify that your Instagram account information is displayed accurately. If needed, adjust any settings or permissions related to your business. Now, you can manage your Instagram posts and messages directly from the Meta Business Suite. Stay updated on insights and analytics from both platforms. With these steps completed, your Instagram and Facebook accounts are successfully connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.